up and early. It's about 7 a.m. and it's the first time I'm out and about since the COVID-19 lockdown here in Malaysia. And it's been more than 100 days, so I'm really excited. We're going to be heading to Sekinchan, which is in the state of Selangor. It's about 1.5 hours from KL. And now we are on the way. We're going to go meet our friends Choi and Mei Ling, and we're going to carpool to Sekinchan. Are you excited to wake up so early? He's still asleep. But yay! Let the road trip begin! Yay! We've arrived in Sekinchan! Mei Ling? Joy? First things first, we're gonna have breakfast, and it's at Sin Ming Kee. How are we gonna eat today? Attraction here in Sekinchan, and it is the Redang beach, and I have to say it smells like clams, like, you know, seafood, like smelly seafood that's been in the factory for a long time. Seafood. We haven't seen the sea since the Malaysian lockdown happened, so yay! Wait, oh, smelly. But first, we're gonna go visit this wishing tree where people actually throw red ribbons onto the tree and wish for luck. It's next to a temple, and I'm gonna go try my luck and see if my wishes come true. See, the red strings are actually attached to like a coin. I think that's to weigh the thing down so it doesn't fly away.
No, so that you can throw it out.
So we're going into the temple, which is an enclosed space, so I'm gonna wear a mask. So what you do is you have to give a donation, like a $1, 1 ringgit donation. So now you're gonna take the string, throw on top of the tree. So you can write something on the string, so I want to write something. Your turn.
Aim first.
How to throw? Throw like that.
Or you can throw like this also easy. You can throw higher.
Wow, okay.
You can either aim high or you can aim low.
Aim low. Sure, we're back on and don't laugh at me.
Okay. Yeah.
Yay! Your turn. Wow, well done! Went up there! A speedboat just passed us. Sekinchan is like a fishing village, so it's famous for its seafood, for its paddy fields, and it's also a local tourist attraction where people come for a day trip or just to stay for the weekend. And yes, so it's a bit smelly, this place here, because it's next to the fishing port, but we come here for the views, I guess. So while in Sekinchan, you gotta have seafood, and for lunch we're here at number 15. Oh, you cut the side.
来，你叫我来。
上面两边咯，你按那个尺码。
拍它。
拍这个。
哦，明白了。
Thank you。
visit the Paddy Gallery for 5 ringgit, where you can learn the process of planting and harvesting rice. They are weighing how much of rice is inside this truck. We're here next to the Paddy factory, and they have a little like small piece of land that they grow some paddy on. I think it's for people to have a look at the process. So we're just walking into it because right now most of the paddy fields are already harvested. So throughout area of Sekinchan, it is quite barren and empty. We've come to visit Ama at Ama's house. They sell like souvenirs, old school sweets, old scooter, rice crackers. And what's our next stop? Mango King. We're gonna go eat mangoes and drink mango shake. Mango King was our last stop in Sekinchan, and before leaving we bought lots of sweet large mangoes to bring home. I had a really fun day trip to this fishing village, lots of good times with delicious food, beautiful views and great company. I thoroughly enjoyed this Chuti Chuti Malaysia.